Share this with someone you care about, not because of fear or panic. None of us know what tomorrow brings. Know where your food comes from. Strong communities become our future.
For years in school, we are taught how to calculate, how to memorize, how to find a job, even how to manage money. But we are rarely taught how to grow food, even though food is humanity's most basic need. We can live without social media. We can live without smartphones, but we cannot live without food. So why is the most important skill one of the rarest skills people have? And even stranger, most people think that's normal.
Imagine this for a moment. Tomorrow morning, every supermarket closes. No deliveries, no food delivery apps, no new stock. How long could most of us survive? 3 days? 1 week? 2 weeks? Ironically, we live in the most technologically advanced era in human history. We can talk to AI. We can transfer money in seconds. We can order food with a single tap. But if we were asked to grow our own food, many of us would not know where to begin. We know how to buy food, but we do not know how to produce food. And perhaps that is one of the least discussed forms of dependency.
In the past, most families had a direct connection to food. They planted crops, they saved seeds, they understood the seasons. They knew how food was produced. Today, most of us only know the supermarket shelf. We know the price of food, but not the process behind it.
We know how to earn money to buy food, but we are not taught how to produce food itself. And when a society loses its basic knowledge of food production, it becomes increasingly dependent on systems outside its control. Maybe that is not a problem when everything is working, but what happens when it is not?
Food security does not mean everyone needs a farm. It does not mean everyone needs to become a farmer. Food security begins with awareness, with understanding how food grows, with planting a single chili plant, a tomato plant, or a few simple vegetables at home.
Because the goal is not to live outside the system. The goal is to have at least some ability to provide for humanity's most basic need. And perhaps, in the future, the people who are most prepared will not only be those with the most money, but also those who know how to grow their own food.
Because money can buy food. But money cannot grow food if nobody knows how to grow it.
If food supply stopped for 30 days, would you be ready?